Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Hannah here, and this time I bring you a tortilla hack Middle Eastern style. So stay tuned as you really don't want to miss this. So here I am marinating my sliced onions with some lemon juice, some chopped parsley, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna keep it aside. For our Middle Eastern dishes, having such a refreshing salad as a condiment on the side is an absolute must. So my recipe here is inspired by the Turkish Adana Kebab, but I'm gonna make it in my own easy and quick simple way. So I'm starting by adding some chopped garlic, some chopped green and red bell peppers, some chopped onion. Wanted to keep these bits nice and chunky so that it gives us that nice crunch. Then I went ahead and added some cilantro, some salt, some black pepper, and some oil. Well, don't forget to cover it and cook if you want your kebab patty to be nice, juicy and tender. So voila! Time to bring it all together and enjoy the Middle Eastern deliciousness. So I've started by gently placing my kebab on the tortilla, and then I added some store-bought hummus on one side and a refreshing onion salad on the other. And in the end, adding some freshly chopped lettuce. And there you have it, the comfort of Middle Eastern food right on your plate. Well, trust me when I say this, but this goodness is so hard to describe. Yummy! Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye.